Hello everyone. So today we are going to discuss case number 141204 and gynae. A 35-year-old woman presents for routine screening. Her pap smears show high-grade squamous intraepithelium lesions, also called as HSIL. What is the next best step in management? Alpha. Repeat pap smear in 6 months. Beta HPV DNA testing. Charlie. Colposcopic evaluation with biopsy or delta hysterectomy. I am going to give you 5 seconds so you can answer it by yourself. Yes, the answer is Charlie, colposcopic evaluation with biopsy. Let's discuss why this is our answer. Our answer is Charlie, colposcopic evaluation with biopsy. Why this is the answer? Because when we do the pap smear, we have three main results. One is the test is negative, the patient is good to go. Number two, we have a little bit lesions that is known as uh, low-grade squamous intraepithelium lesions, also called as LSIL. If the severity is high, then we see HSIL that indicate a high risk for CIN 2 by 3 or the cancer. CIN mean cervical intraepithelium neoplasia. You can call it as cervical intraepithelium neoplasia, or you can call it as simply HSIL. So these are interlinked. Okay, CIN, it's a different classification system. So 2 or 3 CIN is equal to HSIL and 1 is equal to low grade squamous intraepithelium lesion LSIL. Okay, so this is the just the dictionary that we use when we are discussing the cervical cancer. So when we have HSIL, then we have to do colposcopy with biopsy. First of all, for uh, this is mandatory for the diagnosis, and after that we have to grade this condition for the management of the patient. So this is our answer. Let's discuss why not the other options are correct. Our option was alpha, repeat pap smear in 6 months. I told you that in the pap smear, if the patient has normal result, it's very good. If one step ahead, if the patient has problem, not severe problem, but a minor problem, that then we see LSIL. Okay, LSIL is low grade squamous intraepithelial lesion, and it has another name, quite complicated, right? This is called as ASCUS, atypical squamous cell of undetermined significance. Okay, and we do it when we have these kind of results. We ask the patient come after 6 months. We repeat the pap smear. Okay, and this is not the case with HSIL. Okay, our patient has HSIL. HPV DNA testing is also done for the cases of HSCUS, okay, or the uh, low grade squamous intraepithelial lesions, but not needed in HSIL, okay. And number D is hysterectomy, which is reserved for confirmed cancers or the refractory CIN3 in the selected cases. So hysterectomy, we do it. It's a very aggressive process, so we do not do it immediately in the patient. So we have to reserve this procedure if the cancer is very invasive or the other treatment options are not working. Okay. So lastly, I'm going to share some notes, some pearls with you that help you in the future MCQs. If they ask about HSIL on the pap smear, the answer would be colposcopy with biopsy. Okay. If they say the patient is having atypical squamous cell of undifferentiated significance, which is equal to LSIL. Okay, remember that. Note HSIL. LSIL, also known as ASCUS, on the pap smear. Then what we can say the patient? We do HPV testing or the repeat pap smear in 6 months or 1 year. Okay, depending on the condition of the patient. Okay. So another point is if CIN one is confirmed on the biopsy, this is, and then we do the observation. It is basically uh, a kind of a stage. mm, you are saying that this is equal to the HSIL, but it's a very mild stage. So this is the different vocabulary, different type of classification. Likewise, CIN 1 is equal to HSIL, and CIN 2 and 3 are equal to uh, the HSIL. Okay, so if CIN 2 by 3 is confirmed, then this is HSIL. Okay, this is HSIL. Then what we can do? We will do a procedure called as LEAP or conization. Okay, LEAP is a procedure in which we do loop electrosurgical excision procedure, in which in this procedure we remove the part where we see the atypical cells in the cervix. We remove this by using the electro surgical procedure. Okay, or we do the conization. It is a little more aggressive process. And lastly, if invasive cancer is confirmed, then we have to do the staging, and hysterectomy or radiation can be done, which is very aggressive procedure. Okay, lastly, I am going to summarize the things. First of all, we do the patient. We have a patient. We ask the patient to do the Pap smear. This is routinely done test. In the Pap smear, we have three results: normal, or we have HSIL. HSIL is equal to CIN 1, and or we have HSIL, which is LSIL is equal to CIN1, and HSIL is equal to CIN2 by 3, or CIN3 is also included into HSIL. Okay, and our approach is different for uh, different results. Okay, and if we suspect the patient is cancerous, he has the cancer of cervix, then we do the hysterectomy and staging and radiation. Okay, so our question was from HSIL, and the answer was colposcopy with biopsy. Okay. So thank you so much for your attention. If you need this kind of more content, please hit like and share this video and subscribe to our channel Sword of Knowledge. Thank you so much.